In the meantime, another promise this evening from the Minister of National Security, Dr. Horace Chang, that the government has a plan in place to address rising crime and violence in St. James. National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang, alongside Commissioner of Police Major General Anthony Anderson, touring police stations out west. But as the police clamor for better working conditions and more resources, there's an equal cry from citizens in sections of western Jamaica for increased protection from criminals. In St. James, gangs appear to be regrouping. Dr. Chang says this is evident based on the type of killings recently.
Violence is like a disease. And it's like an infectious disease. So you get one killing, you get a retaliation. For two, you get four retaliation. And unless we can, prevent and interrupt this kind of violence, it's just going to keep multiplying.
Normal policing, he adds, will not work in St. James, and so the plan.
We are examining the legislation. I hope we can bring it to Parliament early, which is something that will give us some of the elements of the state of emergency. And we hope that will come so to give the men and women who are working hard, assisted by the Jamaica Defence Force, to overcome some of the activity out here. But I don't have all the answers. My commissioner said we are looking at the situation. We are concerned and we will take steps to correct the problem.
Which takes us back to the tour of police stations.
You have to get the investigative department up to scratch. You have to get intelligence. You have to get the policemen the required resource to identify the perpetrators and then, and how they operate, disrupt the operation in the community. In addition to that, we have to begin process of how we interface with the younger students, the young males who are leaving school, and begin to interact with them so you can divert them from the activity. It's a complex problem. And we accept and understand it. What I'm out here today is just to see what's happening and to work with the commissioner to see how we can assist him in getting more effective operation out there.
The minister announced recently that police stations island-wide will be renovated. In the case of the Savlamar and Spanish Town police stations, new facilities will be built.